In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Brave browser theme. If you'd like to give your Brave browser a fresh new look and make your browsing experience feel more personalized, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of changing the theme in Brave browser on your computer. The entire process only takes a few moments, and once you're finished, your browser will instantly reflect the style you choose. To begin, launch the Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you can see the main browser window, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the menu icon. Click on it to open a menu containing various browser options and settings. When the menu appears, locate the Settings option and select it. This will open Brave's settings page where you can manage and customize different features of the browser according to your preferences. After entering the settings area, look toward the left-hand side of the page. You'll notice a navigation panel with several categories. From that list, click on Appearance. This section is dedicated to the visual elements of the browser and allows you to adjust how Brave looks while you use it every day. Once you're inside the Appearance section, find the option called Theme. Click on it to open the available theme choices. This area lets you control the overall appearance of the browser interface, making it easy to switch to a style that better matches your preferences and viewing habits. As soon as you open the theme options, the available selections will be displayed on the right side of the screen. Take a moment to browse through the different choices and decide which one you prefer. You might choose a dark theme for a more comfortable viewing experience in low-light environments, a light theme for a brighter and cleaner appearance, or another available option that best suits your taste. Simply click on the theme you want to use, and Brave browser will apply the change immediately. There's no need to restart the browser or perform any additional actions. You'll be able to see the updated appearance as soon as your selection is made. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the theme in Brave browser and customized its appearance to better match your personal style and preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.